You don't like your life? Well, understandable. Must be because there are some mistakes in your life or some things in your life that you don't like. Well, there could not be there should be a thing that you like about yourself, your body. Think about it. You like your health. You like that you are in shape. You like that you are fit. You like that you are healthy. You like your diet. You like your job. You like your career. You like your relationships with other people. You like your nature. You like your personality, and you like your surroundings. Well, there must be something. Find something that you like about yourself and then work on it. Ignore everything. And most of the videos I'm talking about ignoring others' opinion. It's because that will always drag you back, and they will become literally a weight on you. Even though you have a weight of your life. If sometimes many people have families they have to feed. Many people have siblings, young siblings, old parents. Many people have many things. So the thing is that you like about yourself. You like your personality. Okay, work for it. You like your job. Work hard for it. Okay, you will earn something about it. Stop complaining. You don't like your job. Stop complaining. Find a different job. Start a career. Do some business. Find a different job. Do something else. Do something about that job that you don't like. Change it. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a great day and a great week. So today we are going to talk about people who complain a lot. Well, complaining is a nature of human being. A human will complain about some certain things, but there are some people who complain a lot. Like, people complain about their job. They don't like their job. They don't like their family. Well, okay, you don't like your family. You don't like your surroundings. You don't like your friends. Okay, cut off. Don't talk to them. You don't like your surroundings, change it. You don't like your job, change it. Do something about it. Change something. Well, you should have a thing that you really like about yourself, and that should be the thing that motivate you to do something about the things that you don't like, to change the things that you don't like, and eventually you will change them. So let's get on in this topic, and I'll tell you some famous words and lines about stop complaining and start working in this video. So hope you guys will enjoy it. You don't like where you are today, change something. You don't like your job, well, change it. Do something about it. You don't like that you are in debt, change something. You don't like how miserable you are all the time, well, change something. Do something about it. Don't complain. Complaining about your situation won't change your situation though. There's a reason why Einstein labeled the definition of insanity, that is doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result. Well, I hate to break it to you, but nothing will change until you change yourself, and nothing will change until you get up from that couch you've been sitting on from the start of the day and complaining about the things that you don't like in your life. Nothing will change or improve if you don't get up from that couch and improve it. Work on yourself and work on that thing that you want to change, that you are complaining about right now. Well, many people just complain, sit on that couch from the start of the day until the end of the day and complain about things they want to change. Well, they don't work for it. You have to work for it if you want a change in your life. You don't like your job. Well, suppose you don't like your job because you are high qualified and they are not paying you enough. Well, get up, talk to them. If they are not agreeing, go find another job, do something about it. You have to, because it's your right. Okay, that's the right thing. Many people just complain about things that they have in their life and they deserve it. Well, you are getting a salary and that is totally okay, and that is totally on your side, and you only have the right to earn that salary. Well, many people complain about the things that are perfect in their life. They just don't get it. You think you don't have health, you are not healthy, you are not in shape. Well, work for it. Don't sit on that couch from the start of the day until the end of the day and complain about things and then say, I am fat, I cannot do this, I am not healthy, my diet is not good. Well, Nothing will change until you change your diet, until you start eating healthy or start doing some exercise or something to change your body. Well, I'm not specifying someone's body or anything, but it's about everything. Nothing will change until you get up from that couch you've been sitting on and complaining and bragging about things and do something and improve it. Well, it's a law. Well, I would say it's common sense, and not many people have that. Well, 2 plus 2 always equals 4. If you want to get 5, you are going to have to change the numbers. If you want to get 5, 6, 3, 7, any other product or the result, you are going to have to change the numbers. Well, there were two things present here, the reactants and the product, or well, the result. If you want a different result, or if you want a different product, you have to change the input first. If you change the input, then you will receive a different output. How can you expect putting the same input over and over again and then expecting a different result, expecting a different output or a product? Well, that is not going to happen. There is no such thing as called magic in this real world. Stop living in fantasy. You have to change the reactants, you have to change the things that you are working on, and you have to stop complaining at first to get the different result. You cannot add 2 plus 2 always and you want 5 as the result. Well, no, it's law, it will not change. 2 plus 2 will always equal 4, and it will not change for you. You have to change for them. The law cannot change for you, you have to change for them, okay? And if you want your life to be better, well, I hate to bring that bad news to you that you are alone and it's all up to you and you alone. The thing is that you are the person who is going to make it better, who is going to make it worse or good or anything that you want to do. And that is also a very good news if you look at it from a different perspective. The thing is that you are alone there, so you are in charge. You are in charge, you are in control over everything. You are in control over the things, you are in control of how you feel. You are in control of the improvements that your future can see. That is the thing that you want to do. Don't look at the negative side that you are all alone in this life. Look at the positive side that you are in control. It's very good that you are alone and you are the only leader present here. You are the only one responsible for your life, and that is very, very good. Suppose there was a different person. You guys were working as a team. There must be some clashes between you guys. You are alone. You are the only person present here. So you can work on yourself as much as you want. You can make improvements as much as you want so that your future is better. Make daily improvements. As I stated in my last videos, that make daily improvements, read books. Reading books encourage you to read more. If you read 1 page a day, it's okay for the start. Then you'll get habitual for that, and you will certainly start reading more and more books. And learning new things day by day is very good for your life. It will encourage. If you learned a new word today of anything in your language or any other language, suppose you are learning a different language, you learned the first word of that language today, you are very happy, so that you want to learn another word. You learned another word and another and another, day by day, month by month. Okay, a year passed, you learned that whole language, you accomplished your task. Well, a year ago, 2 years ago, you were just complaining, sitting on the couch, complaining about you don't know how to, you don't understand that language, and now you learned that. That should be the biggest achievement of your life, to accomplishing your goals, accomplishing and completing your dreams. You know Leo Tolstoy? He once stated that everyone thinks of changing this huge world, but no one thinks of changing themselves. Well, this should be it. It should be it. It is it, isn't it? The thing is that if you understand this statement deeply, and if you go through it again and again, you will eventually understand the deep meaning of this. The thing is that everyone wants to see a change in this huge world, but no one is willing to change themselves. You want a healthier relationship with something, you want a better relationship, well, you should be the one better in the relationship. Well, you should be the one working it out. Well, you should be the one who is willing to give their things that the other person deserves in a relationship if they want to make it better. Well, if you want a better body, you want to yourself to be healthy, you should be the one working out. You should be the one eating healthier. You want a better job, you should be the one studying hard right now so that you can get a better job in the future. You want a better future, you should be the one planning your whole entire future right now. Plan it. Plan things go smoothly. If you don't have a future planned, plan it. Then if you don't plan your future right now, then you'll just have things to complain about it. You'll just have things that you will complain about, like in the future, like you'll literally regret not planning your future at that time. Another way of looking at this famous saying would be that everyone wants to see a change, well, in their life, in this huge world, in someone else's life, but no one is willing to start with themselves. Everyone is waiting for someone else to start and then they'll follow their lead. Well, you should not be the one following the lead, you should be the one leading the pack. You should be the one leading the pack, conquering the 10 hyenas, killing the 10 hyenas. You should be the one who is leading everyone, who gave you wrong opinions, who tried to drag you back, who tried to be a weight on your back to the slaughterhouse. Well, you should be the one leading the pack, not the follower. You should never be the follower. Well, the thing is that you should be brave enough to look at everything you don't like in your life, not for piety, but with pride. This is a great statement. You should be brave enough to look at everything you don't like in your life, not for piety, but with pride. If you remember this, you'll always say, I own it all, and you'll fight the 10 hyenas even if you're alone. No one is following you, leave them, ignore them. They'll eventually follow you. Fight the 10 hyenas by yourself. And I know you can do it because you own it all. This is your life, isn't it? You should know where you are headed. You should be the one knowing that you can do it and you can do it all alone. You don't need anyone help. You should know you are the only one who can do it, and this is the only way you can do that. Step back and look at your life as it a bird's eye view, and then as it is someone else's life, as someone else's perspective, and consider yourself a life mentor. Think about it. What are the things that you need to include? What are the things that you need to remove from your life that will get you to the position that you really want and you deserve it? You should know your dream. You have a dream. You should know if you work hard for it, you will eventually deserve that dream. You will not only dream it as a dream or a goal. You will not only see it as a dream or just your destination that you need to go. You will see it as the destination that you deserve. You will see it as the position that you deserve, and because you know you worked hard for it and you were all alone because you owned it all. So you are looking at your life with someone else's perspective. Think about it. What are the changes that you need to make so that those changes can help you in the future? What are the things that you need to remove or include that will help you get the position you want and you really deserve it? Help you get the pride and help you get the anything you want to be a doctor. Okay, you want to be a doctor, you want to be an influencer, you want to be a singer, an artist, a teacher, anything that is your dream. Okay, you want to accomplish that dream. Even you don't want to be anything. Think about it. Your dream is to complete this grade. that you are studying, because you know it's this is some things are hard to accomplish, but you should know you can eventually get them if you look at your life as a life mentor and look at your life with someone else's perspective. You will eventually know what you want and what you really need and what you need to change basically, and make those changes. Those changes are the most important changes in your life. If you don't make those, what are you going to do? What are you doing until now? Make some changes in your life that are going to get to the better, not the worse. That are getting you the better, the good, not the worst or the bad. So this is gonna be it for this week's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We talked about stop complaining and start working. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below your favorite part, and adios amigos, I'm out.